I decided to get a new one. It was some at 20 quid, didn't have timers. Some of the ones that are 50 quid still didn't have timers. I'm like, I use this a lot, I love it. This has got an automatic sensor, it's got some buttons on here, so it's a great little gadget. Power it on, it starts scanning, you can choose what you've got. I'm going to be doing, let's have a look, steak. Then it's okay. Then it starts doing its preheat warm up. It starts cooking. These, no, they're not touch sensitive. And I believe this is like a manual button. And the handle, so there's no touching anything hot. Opens up a bit like them sandwich presses. Now I've already given it a little heat earlier. With any metal that's new, you do get like it can be toxic, you know, or make you ill and stuff like that. So I've given it the preheat. I then opened it up, let it cool down for about half an hour, and then gave it a little wash. You know, a little wipe with a wet cloth, and I'm heating up again. So whether I'm going to get any more smell from brand new metal heating up, I'm not sure. And then I'm going to cook on it. It says that it takes about 4 minutes, so I'll try and keep an eye and see how long it does take. This is 1500 watts. My old one was 2,200 watts. A bit uncomfortable about the 2,200 watts. It's still less than some ovens. But I want to try and get a bit lower. I mean, I've had the other grill for 10 years or so. And I thought, no, technology's moved on. I'm going to get a new one. I'm not really happy with the drip tray. You know, it's one of them, it does actually stay in there, so it's not too bad. I did not like the ones that just sit in front, but this one does slot in. So, you know, quite happy with that. It is a lot more, it's over £100. But the fact that I can press steak, which means it's going to, you know, be more of a timer based, which is what I want. It's got the automatic sensor. It comes with a really great paperwork. It even comes with a lot of little wall chart. It tells you there different colours what they mean. So I'm probably going to go for something like an orange on my steak, which is medium. Steak down there, red meat, medium, so I want the orange. And then you know, you can even do frozen chicken nuggets here. I mean, that's the worst food ever. These nuggets, you know, it's got them on there. Meat and poultry, so it's got gammon steak, which looks more like bacon streaks. It's got marinated chicken breast. I think I have like the steak I'm going to do. And then it's got a guide on, if anyone's lost this and that's why they're looking at the video, this is one of the paperworks that come with it. Nice, fully glossy and everything. Everything about how to clean it. I mean, I'm basically waiting for this green. So it's preheating and it's ready to cook then. I think it's going to make a noise, it's a steak thing. Yeah, it's still on the pin. And then I want to get the green going, and then it will change colours. So when it gets to orange, which will make another noise, I will think about stopping that. So here we go, Tefal OptiGrill, LED indicator for cooking. As you can hear, it's making a noise. It's now a solid colour, means I think it's ready to start cooking. So all I've got to do is stick my meat in. Now what it does say, it's saying you can brush it with a little bit of, say, olive oil or what have you, to help the cooking. And not only will it help the cooking, I'm just going to put a little bit on because it runs down really quickly. It has done. I'm going to get my brush in there. Just give it a little coating of olive oil there. I know that when I've done this before, it's also easy to clean afterwards, which is really cool. A little brush at the top. And then whack the old steak in. Close it down. Yeah, it sits on that. And it's automatically detected there's something in there and it started to cook. So I'm just waiting for that to go to orange, which should be medium, and my steak will be ready. So now it's gone to the green. It's giving me a little flash. And a little bleep saying it's starting, and it's at yellow now. So that's rare, so it's probably got, yeah, rare. I mean, this is pretty quick. I mean, in the picture it kind of looks like I've chosen pork chops. This is gammon, allegedly, so, you know, the pork chop's got to be the nearest. I haven't done fish ever in this machine. I've done loads of chickens, I've done gammon, I don't know if I've done sausages, and I've done steak a few times. So look, I mean, that's on orange already, so that's telling me that my steak is medium well done. Well, normally I don't do it that long. This is so quick. I can't believe how quick it is. So I might just wait for it to turn. Okay, it's going different shades of orange here. It's going a bit dark. I don't know if you can see that. So now that it's saying it's ready at medium, and it's going even darker, the shade this goes through, it goes through every single shade. It's so smart. So when it gets to red, which it's kind of getting there, it's saying my steak could be well done, which is too much for me. But I think I don't know what you press to stop it, maybe just power it off. I cannot believe how quickly that is done. It's taken just over sort of about 4 minutes. Feels good. Cook round the edges quite quickly, especially at the front. The underneath. Sorry, I picked that without you looking. Yeah, again, the front, bottom bit. So maybe get it hotter down there. I mean, I used to rotate this halfway through while it's still warm. There you go, still a bit of heat in there. So give it a little few more seconds, different as I've rotated it round. I reckon it's going to be pretty good. Okay, so there's quite a bit of fat and possibly a little, well, steam moisture, the water. That is generally heated fat, so that will solidify later. The steak I turned round, it's got a bit more brown at the other end. This was at the top, and I swung it round to the bottom. Definitely down here seems to get a bit hotter. So I left it in there until it stopped making a noise and the dripping stopped, and that's basically cooked as medium. Let's try and do a test here. Well, that worked fine. Look at that, a totally uneven colour. I may have not need to, you know, it's my first time, so I may not be deleting it while it cools down. But it was so quick. You know, normally with the other one I had, I would choose a time and put it on possibly 6 minutes, whatever the guide on the packaging for the steak would say. But this machine just allowed me to, it was censoring it, and it's all built in. So it's just brilliant, I love it. So what I've got to do is now wait for my wedges to cook and things in the, I'll add them. Thanks for watching, subscribe and like. Thank you.